Welcome to June. This month, Kaisercraft have released two beautiful collections, Anthology and Full Bloom. First of all, let's take a look at the Anthology Collection. This is the 12x12 paper pack, and these are the papers that are inside. This is P2541 Ephemera. On this page there's lots and lots of little things that could be fussy cutted out. On the reverse side is polka dots on a dark charcoaly black background. This is P2542 Entomology, a page full of butterflies and moths, and on the reverse it's a dark embossed looking pattern with little flecks of green. The next one, P2543 Plumology, a beautiful page of feathers, all different coloured feathers. The next page is P2544 Botanet, and on the back it's a lovely floral pattern, some beautiful leaves there, and the saying is don't forget to enjoy the little things. The next page, P2545 Apothecary. Some of these names are a little bit hard to pronounce. This is a page full of those lovely old wooden drawers. The next page, P2546 Cartography. It's a lovely striped page, some vertical stripes going down the page, and on the reverse a picture of the old map and a big compass. You receive a sticker sheet in your 12x12 pack. It's got some strips of pictures along the top there, some numbers, a few flowers and feathers, and some sentiments down the bottom. Now, if you choose to purchase your papers separately, there are a couple of extra papers that are not in the 12x12 pack. This first paper here is P2547, and it is called Ornithology. And the reverse side of this page is like an old leathery book that is very distressed. This one is P2548 Herbs, and on the back a lovely wood grain paper in sort of a variety of colours. The last page, P2549 Antiquity, I've run out of this paper, but you can see here again that there's lots of things that you can cut out to put onto cards, and then the back of this paper is sort of like a reddish brown with a small floral pattern. The PS528 Shadow Box die cut is a real must-have purchase. I only received one of these and I've already used it, so this is just an image of the die cut, but this can be used on a layout or cut up for a set of cards or onto a project of your choice. But it is a very special die cut, and I can't wait to see the creations that people make with this. Let's have a look at the stamp set now. The clear stamps have a few sentiments. Thankful for you, enjoy the little things, treasure life's little moments, every moment matters. They have a couple of butterflies and a bird on a branch and a bird in a glass container. And let's have a look at the 6.5 inch paper pad. This is a brand new paper pad. You get 2 sheets of each paper in the paper pad. That's a different one to the 12x12s. A lot of these papers have a glossy effect on them with a little bit of black, like this one here. Instead of the green in the 12x12 sheet, it's got the glossy black foiled effect. It's a good one for cutting up and making into cards. See that shimmer on the handles? Here we've got some sentiments at the back, some die cuts, some tags, and more sentiments. That's the 6.5 inch paper pad and the stamp set. And let's have a look at the collectibles. I know everybody's keen to see what is in the collectibles. And this is a complete pack with no collectibles that are missing. So you can see we've got some flowers and butterflies and birds, some little note cards, some tape measures and a film strip, leaves and feathers, some sentiments, some beautiful little birds in this collectibles pack, some more leaves and tickets. The best thing about memories is making them quote. A few more little words, perfect for scrapbook titles. Some little tags and a key. A little glass container with the birds inside, some quotes and a stopwatch. So you get a good feel for the colours in the collection here by looking at these collectibles, and they will be so useful in decorating your projects. The Flourish pack is called Curiosities. It's FL626, and inside the Flourish pack we have some birds and keys, and again the glass container, some little twigs, little tiny birds to sit inside that, a couple of beetles, some butterflies or moths, I think these little bottles might be perfume bottles or oil jars, so that gives you an idea of what's in the collection. I received the textured Honeycomb Die. It's one of the new texture dies that Kaisercraft have brought out this quarter. It can be used with any collection. I've also received the IT033 film strip mini template and the IT468 grunge 6x6 designer template. So they will fit in beautifully with the Anthology Collection. So that is the Anthology Collection newly released for the month of June. It's going to be very, very popular. I can't wait to see what you make with this collection. Let's move on now to the Full Bloom collection. This is the second collection for the month of June released by Kaisercraft. Let's begin with the 12x12 paper pack. The first page is P2550 Florist. It has some lovely bright clusters of flowers on one side, and on the back is a very fine, delicate pink floral pattern. P2551 Growth, lots of stripes in a dark pink, a blue, a light pink and a green. And on the back there are always flowers for those who want to see them. P2552 Blossoming, and on the back Live Life in Full Bloom. Very floral collection, very spring collection. P2553 Posy, some lovely black and white polka dots, and on the back Be in Love with Your Life, every single minute of it, and a very busy floral page there. P2554 Bloomed, a lovely wooden page there for those of us that love the wooden look, and some smaller floral clusters on the back. P2555 Seedlings, pink checks on the front and a lovely strong black and white striped page on the back with some floral clusters. Then inside the 12x12 paper pack you also receive this sticker sheet, which has lots of really useful stickers, perfect for your creating. Moving on now to the pages that do not come in the 12x12 pack that you can buy separately. First one, P2556 Rosebud. This is a beautiful page that you can cut up for cards, and on the back a very fine floral pattern with some quotes down the bottom. P2557 Undergrowth, gorgeous green colour, and on the back some lovely quotes and sentiments in a mixture of cursive writing and block capitals. Last paper here, I've got P2558 Garden Bed, some little floral clusters there on the front and the pink gingham on the back, which I really like. The PS529 frame cluster die is just gorgeous. I can see us easily doing a multi-photo layout with this die cut. Could be turned any way, could be cut up. This is a lovely foil page. It's PS530 Blooming and it's rose gold foil. This is perfect to cut up for card making. Let's have a little peek inside the paper pad, the 6.5 inch paper pad. Again, 2 pages of each design in the paper pad. Several of the pages have a real glossy finish to the page. If you compare that, you can see it's just a little bit darker. The print is like a more glossy look. Again, with these words, that's really smooth and glossy. That's got the gloss finish on it as well. So the paper pad is really beautiful in this collection. Got your sentiments as always at the back with the little cutouts. So that's the 6.5 inch paper pad. Let's take a look at the collectibles. We love collectibles, and the people that love flower collectibles are going to be in love with this range because there are a lot of flowers and a lot of leaves in this pack. Little sentiments and a few tags, some lovely sentiments there. Perfect for either cards or titles on scrapbook layouts. A couple of little birds and a love heart. Some little paper blooms, some round sentiments. I do have to say that I love the colours pink and green together. It's such a nice combination. So look at that, so beautiful. And these are the Flourish Pockets FL627 Blooming. There's 40 pieces in the pack. I'll just open them up so we can have a closer look. That little sentiment is love always. There's a bird, a flower, a vine, and some little flowers as well. So these are perfect for just adding a little bit of embellishment to your projects. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Great for all those girly photos. Finally now, I'll just show you a couple of little accessories that I received. This is an IT469 lattice 6x6 designer template. The embossing folder is Little Buds embossing folder, and this is the clear stamp set. Now these are all individual little stamps, so that is going to be just beautiful for card making. I received 2 of the new dies. This one is called Rose Cluster Decorative Die, and this is the DIY Flora Gerbera decorative die, which I have already used to make some art foam flowers. So beautiful floral collection. I know you're going to love this one. Can't wait to see what you make with it. Kaisercraft have spoiled us with 2 gorgeous collections this month. Make sure you subscribe to the Kaisercraft channel on YouTube because there's going to be lots and lots of inspiring videos released this month. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.